This is how you're going to apply for an overdraft on Monzo, even if you've never done it before. First, you need to make sure your Monzo account is upgraded to a full current account. That means you've completed ID verification and have access to the full Monzo app, not just a prepaid card. Once that's sorted, open the app and go to the Home tab. Now, you can also access this from your web browser. Just go to monzo.com/overdrafts and then click on Explore Order Overdrafts or just scroll down until you find Open an Account for Free. Now hit on that and then it will take you to this starter application page. Just click on or just type in your email address and then hit on submit. Now, what you're going to do is finish this on the mobile app. So make sure that you have a smartphone with internet connection, a valid ID such as passport or UK driver's license, and around 5 to 10 minutes of time. Now, if you don't want the extra trouble, you can just scan this QR code right here and it will automatically take you to the app. Now, what you're going to do is to just follow these steps. Just download the Monzo app, scan the QR code to download the Monzo app, and then choose I'm new to Monzo in the application, and then use the same email that you've used here to log in. And that is basically how you're going to apply for overdraft on Monzo. It is both easy and it saves your time.